I'm gonna clean a TV screen today, and I always get people asking me like what's safe on them. You cannot spray just haphazardly whatever you want on it, but we do have this really good Whoosh Screen Shine, which I use this on my laptop, and also I have a little tiny bottle of it that goes in my purse for my sunglasses. It works really good. Anyways, this TV screen has tons of dog slobber on it because there's a bulldog that lives here, and it like goes like and like splashes. So dog slobber is like cement. It's really hard to get off. You can even hear it. Okay, so I'm gonna use it to get it off. Okay, so you're not supposed to spray it directly on the screen. You're supposed to spray it on the cloth first. Probably just to protect the screen. And then you wipe. So this would be good if you have kids or a gross dog. And then afterwards, I'm just gonna go behind it with a carbon cloth. This cloth comes with the Whoosh spray. This is just one of my favorite polish cloths that we use just to get all that gunk off. See, it's softening it right here. Is the camera picking that up? This TV is dirty. Oh yeah, way better. Look at, like, I'm only gonna do half of it just so we have like a good gauge. This is good because lots of people spray Windex on their TV and wreck it. They'll just go like shh, and then it'll leave a big swatch on it. People who work here have done that.
Not me.
Okay, it's working really good. I've done one half, the side by side, it's like so noticeable. This is working awesome. And it's getting like it's easy to just dust off the TV with a Swiffer, but sometimes you have stuff that's all stuck onto it and it's getting this off. And we don't want to push very hard, and you don't spray it directly on. And this has like no alcohol or ammonia in it, so one of those things must be what wrecks TVs, because we've definitely seen some wrecked TVs in our days here at GoCleanCo. And you can use it on glasses, and you can use it on laptops and phone screens, so it gets clean. I love it for sunscreen, or I love it if your sunglasses have sunscreens on it. Sunscreen on it, oh my God, okay. 5 stars. Thanks for watching.